Here's a quick video to show you how to use Google Vids for screencasting. And Google Vids is a perfect tool for screencasting if you have a Gmail account already. So assuming you've got a Gmail account, you just go and search for Google Vids and then click on the first link that comes up. And then it prompts me to sign into Google Vids. I'm already signed into my Gmail account, so if I click on this, I've got two accounts, so I'll select my main account. And then it gives us options in terms of different types of recordings we're going to do, or we could do. I'm going to click on the record button. And then at the top here, it's got camera, but I want to do just screen only because I'm going to do a screencast to demonstrate how to use some software. So if I click on screen, it asks me which tab in my browser I want to use, or you could do the entire window. But I'm going to do just one tab in my browser because I want to demonstrate how to use the Pexels free image website. So if I click on that, I can get a preview of that. I also want to share audio because I want to narrate the video. So I'll click on share. And then I want to make sure I turn on the microphone down there. And now I'm recording my little screen here. So I'm on Pexels. I want to search for baby goats, and then I'll show that you can just click on some baby goats and do a free download of the image, and then I can click on the little link here which allows me to get the citation information. I could also close this and search for BC ferries. And then I get pictures of BC ferries, for example. And I could do the same thing. Anyways, let's say that I've finished doing my demonstration of how to use the Pexels website. When I'm finished, I can click on the Google Vids tab up top here and hit stop. And then I could preview it if I want, but I'm pretty sure I'm happy with what I recorded. I recorded 54 seconds of a maximum of 30 minutes available, and I'll click the insert button. And that inserts the video into Google Vids for me. And you got a timeline at the bottom. This will eventually fill in with a preview of the video, but it takes a little bit to finish processing. The one thing I will do just so is I'm going to give this a title, so I'll call it Pexels Screencast Demo, and then hit enter. And if I want to, I can preview the video by hitting the play button, or I can do the same thing by clicking on the space bar on my keyboard. So if I click the space bar there, I paused. If I click again, it'll play. Let's say at the beginning here I realize that there's this first second or two where I'm clicking the record button, so I'll just drag that up so that I get rid of that little gap at the beginning. It also gives you some options. You can give styles. You can edit with the transcript, which might be a useful tool as well. I'm just going to ignore that for now. And if I'm happy with the video now, what I want to do is share it. So if I click on the button here, and I want to export it as an MP4 file so that I can just upload it directly to my website, I click on MP4. And then it will download. There it goes. It just downloaded the screencast, Pexels screencast demo to my hard drive, which I can then upload to my blog or upload to YouTube or whatever I want. So that's a quick demonstration on how to record video with Pexels. I hope that you find this helpful.